how to redeem Visa gift cards in Brawl Stars. Now, you can do this in your Play Store or App Store or wherever you downloaded your Brawl Stars, but you can also do it directly here. First thing you'll have to do is to go to shop, or basically anywhere you can use or purchase real money. So over here we'll be buying the Brawl Pass. Let's say I want to buy the Brawl Pass, and I'll choose the Brawl Pass, and let's say let's buy the normal Brawl Pass over here in the left with a special discount. So once we're here, we'll be shown our payment methods, and then we should be able to use the gift card if we use the add credit or debit card option. As long as you have the details for your gift card and apply it here, you should be able to have the gems or be able to pay for what you want. So that's how you use a Visa gift card on Brawl Stars. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. That's all. Thank you.